good, pretty good.
Time to walk around Oklahoma City.
I know you're just a gone away.
Getting the big boy out.
I keep thinking about that big sky I've seen so many times before, but it's something else today.
Turns out Oklahoma City is so cool. Like, no one's really here because Corona and stuff, and it's like 7 in the morning. Getting gas and Sayre.
Sayre.
Oklahoma.
Oh my god. That's it. We're in Texas.
Okay, I guess we're in Texas now. In the past 5 minutes, we've seen 5 separate people get pulled over. So I have cruise control set for the speed limit exactly at 75. And yeah, as you can tell, the scenery is just immaculate, just so exciting. It's really fun. A lot going on here. We just got to Amarillo, Texas, off Route 66. This is the I-40. This is what we're here for. There's a bunch of Cadillacs literally in the middle of a field of manure. Let's go!
Cold pizza Tuesday.
Let me see if one of these has
I got food up in the fridge.
anything. This one does!
Y'all keep looking for that new wave. I think I like it how it is. Cold pizza on a Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge.
Added a smiley face. So much, so much spray paint on here.
I think I like it how
Ripping off the sides. Like, there's very, 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 very thick layers.
My shoestrings untied.
I was just gifted by these 2 guys behind me. They just gave me green and blue spray paint and they're completely full. So I am going to take this opportunity.
Real things ain't quite what they seem. Once you hold it, does it gleam?
Okay,
If it's
now,
green, is there a soul? Is a soul a real thing? If you're really in the know, is it all a scripted show with the cameras and lights and the laugh track to kill all of my loneliness inside? And a cast of cool friends who are always there when things get dry to crack a joke. But instead I'm hearing Cali up in smoke in real life where the whole world broke and the pizza always froze. But it's all good, this is all I'll ever know. So I better chow down while the food's straight.
That was awesome, but my hands are frozen.
So I was observing why all these people had snow on their front of the grill of their cars. Snow? And sure enough,
Yup, you can see it. Oh my god.